To my future employer, good day. My name is Richel P. Samoya, 31 years old, from Davao del Norte, Philippines. I am graduated as a basic computer literacy, Tagum City, Davao del Norte. I am separated with 3 daughters. Their ages is 16, 13, and 7 years old. My work experience is I worked in Saudi Arabia for 1 year. I served 8 people, 2 adults ages 60 and 52 years old, 6 children ages of 14, 13, 12, 8, 6, and 4. All are girls. My duties and my responsibilities are taking care of 6 children, cleaning, washing, ironing, and cooking. To my future employer, please choose me as your helper because I am honest, obedient, flexible, hardworking, and trustworthy. And I'm looking forward to work with you soon. Thank you and have a good day.